here we are in Excel. We've got a number of markets and we want to find the total of these, but we're not sure how to do it. We can't remember the formula within Excel. If you click on the function builder button, you get a little search bar. Hit return, and it doesn't give us any suggestions. So we'll just jump over to ChatGPT and see if that can do the same. So we want to hit return. So it runs through what we do. So it gives you the method, and it gives you the actual formula as well. So we'll copy that, go back to Excel, and we'll paste it in. So that's how we can use ChatGPT to help us in Excel.